Kajabi and Podia are two major players in the creator economy, both promising an all-in-one way to sell courses, memberships, and digital products. But they differ in who they're built for and how much control they give you over your business. Let's break down how they compare and which one might fit your goals best. Kajabi is like the high-end studio of creator platforms. It's designed for creators who want to scale with professional-level tools built right in. You get everything from website and course hosting to email automation, community spaces, payment processing, and analytics. What makes Kajabi stand out is its automation system. You can set up entire customer journeys, like tagging leads, sending nurture emails, and triggering upsells, all from one dashboard. It gives you serious marketing power without needing outside tools. Kajabi also includes podcast hosting, video delivery, and branded landing pages that look polished right out of the box. The trade-off is cost and complexity. It takes some setup time, and the pricing is higher than beginner platforms. But for established creators or teams ready to scale, it's a powerhouse. Podia, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity. It's made for creators who want to launch quickly, keep costs low, and avoid tech overload. The interface is clean, setup is fast, and everything feels lightweight. You can sell online courses, digital downloads, memberships, and webinars, all from one simple dashboard. Podia doesn't charge transaction fees on paid plans, and you can host unlimited content. While it lacks some of the advanced automation and analytics that Kajabi offers, it excels in ease of use. You can start selling the same day you sign up. For many solo creators and small teams, that speed and simplicity matter more than complex marketing tools. If you want a polished, scalable platform with automation, Kajabi is built for you. If you want a lean, budget-friendly system that gets you selling fast, Podia is your best match. Both let you build, market, and monetize your creative work without relying on multiple tools. Kajabi gives you a powerful growth engine. Podia gives you effortless simplicity. It really comes down to how much you want to automate, how much you want to spend, and how you like to work. Either way, both platforms let you focus less on tech and more on turning your ideas into income.